Alright, so the machine has been emptied of product. We went into our cleaning mode. Just to reiterate again, we're only in our cleaning mode when we are running water through the machine. So we pulled all of our product out in cleaning mode. We poured water in the machine. We let it run through several times until we got clean water coming out of the machine. And now we've emptied everything out. There's nothing left in there. And now we're ready to do our full brush cleaning. So what we're going to do is we took out these two pins. So we're going to put them on the side here. We have our third one. We're going to go ahead and loosen up this head right here. Put these parts down in the bucket. We're going to wash those out in the sink. The head slides off. A little bit of water will drip out of there. There. And we're going to remove our beaters. Remove the other auger. So I'm going to take these parts and put them in our bucket for cleaning. Start with the head. We have our gasket. These are the same two-door gaskets that we pop on when we put it back together. Down to the bottom here. Popped off the star caps. Now we're sliding out our support rod, and the handles will come right out. Next we push our plungers. All three of those come right out. It's always easiest to start with the gasket that's farther away, so it can slide over the other one. That off, and we'll put these gaskets and the plunger in our bucket. These are the two side plungers, the one that have just the two O-rings. The one with the four O-rings is going to be the center plunger. Grab that one in a minute. Let's go ahead. So now our head is fully disassembled. Put that to the side here. Tubes in the bucket. Now with these beaters, we're going to remove our blades. We're going to remove our beater or breaker shaft and our rear gasket. Have all of our parts for the machine in the bucket. The machine's it's been rinsed out, but it hasn't been cleaned. What we're going to do is take warm water, we're going to pour it in the top, we're going to use our brushes, we're going to brush out the cylinders, we're going to brush out the hopper, and we're even going to stick the brush that came with the machine down into the mixed feed hole. Make sure that we get any residue out of there as well while we're putting water in there, and then we'll rinse everything back out. We'll wash all of these parts in the sink. We'll make sure they're all nice and clean. We'll bring them back over here after they're sanitized and let them dry, and then we'll reassemble the machine.